Hello. I wanted to demonstrate how to make your heat-friendly wigs softer. Excuse me. Every time I talk on camera, it's like nervous energy. Okay, so water is your synthetic heat-friendly fibers best friend. This is going to get the protection you need from the heat as well as the moisture you need to soften those fibers, because dry heat alone does not always work. Sometimes it does, depends on the level of severity of your wig's condition, so to speak, but water and some steam are just amazing. So this kind of mister brush, because it on my TV and on my messy room, it sprays like a continuous spray. But that and a hot air brush, it doesn't really matter what brand or what, I don't think, because the most important thing it seems to be is the heat tolerance. If it can do multiple settings, low, medium, high, or dial in a temperature, keep it under 320 is usually a good temperature for most heat friendlies. 280 or below 300 is a very good bet that will be okay for your heat friendly synthetics. But you turn it on, it has a fan. The fan and the heat is the most important part with the water combination. This trio is amazing. So you spray, I've just been doing this, so it's still a little damp, but you spray it with the water and you just brush it through. I like to kind of twist as I go sometimes, depending on if it's the top or the bottom of the fibers. You just brush it and they're just really, really soft again. It's amazing. And I'm trying to do some stuff with the top, and you can change, you can do your bangs, change your part, everything with this kind of tool. Get in there, get there into the top of some of these cheaper wigs. I shouldn't say cheap, less expensive wigs. So that you can get the fibers really loose. Another thing I like to do is spray the water up to the top, and then you can kind of get in there, dig around. Be very careful you shouldn't wear while doing this, especially this thing. See that? It was 2 days ago. I was doing something and I bopped my hand. Oh, it hurts. So be careful when wearing. Don't wear. Put it on a canvas head on a stand. And hot tools, very, very hot. But you can get in there and dig into the fibers and stuff. You can also make very minute adjustments in places to the ends. Brush the ends if you need to. Again, be very careful. Very hot. You can also use the heat or the water in this heat, curling iron or flat iron. A flat iron can also curl if you twist it. If you just put the ends in there like that and just run them, it'll get both sides of the ends and it'll make them really soft. And if you spray it, you're gonna hear this. That is okay. You are not hurting your wig. That is actually okay for a synthetic wig to make that noise. It's actually helping it. The water is a protectant for the synthetic fibers. So, and this is the Tressallure Dual Styler. You can probably get a less expensive something. This is not cheap, unfortunately, but it does work really well because it has a fan, and the fan helps cool, and it does have a digital temperature changer. It goes up to 430 and down to 280, so that's usually where I keep it, between 280 and 320. And then this is just a hot air brush, which has high, medium, low setting, which also pushes the fan out at the same time. It's like very loud.
I can't stand it very long, but it is amazing. Doesn't matter the brand. This is a Kinga, Kinga. I got it on Amazon. I actually got all four of these products, and probably this thing on Amazon too. Or Walmart. I don't know. Don't spend money unnecessarily. I mean, you don't have to, but you can achieve soft hair, nice hair. I recommend anytime it starts to feel crunchy, doing this every week or so, maybe, depending on your wear. And if you wear synthetic tops, it's gonna tangle further. So wear it up if you can. So I think that might be it in the what I wanted to mention. So also, if you're working with heat stuff, use these. They do help. That like second degree burn almost. It very, very painful. So be careful. All right.